This is a 2-bed 2-bath located in the Taunton at 2333 Taunton Road. Starting at the front entrance, there is the primary bedroom on the immediate left. The primary bedroom features a large glass window with window coverings on the back right wall and a large sliding door closet on the immediate right. Immediately left of the doorway is the ensuite bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, tiled shower and bathtub. The vanity features 3 drawers and 2 cupboards below a granite countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Throughout this suite, there is luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. Directly ahead of the entrance, there is a hallway intersection that leads leftwards and straight ahead. Just prior to the hallway, there is a closet on the left. Leftwards of the intersection is a hallway that leads directly to the living room, dining room and kitchen area. Just prior to the rooms, there is a closet on the left. On the immediate right is the kitchen. The kitchen includes a stainless steel fridge, sink, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, island with room for bar stools, granite countertop, as well as an oven and stove top. There is ample storage space in the white upper and lower cabinetry. The kitchen flows into the dining and living room in an open concept design. The living room features 2 large windows with window coverings on the back and right walls. On the back wall, there is a large glass sliding door that leads onto the balcony. Directly ahead of the intersection, there is a hallway that leads straight to the second bedroom. Just prior to the second bedroom, there is a sliding door closet on the left. The second bedroom features a large glass window with window coverings on the back left wall. On the immediate left, there is a large sliding door closet. Right of the second bedroom is the second bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, and tiled walk-in shower. The vanity features 3 drawers and a cupboard below a granite countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting.